Jai Hind students, hope you all are doing fine at home. So today we'll be starting a new chapter, that is agriculture and industries. Before starting this chapter, I would like you to ask, can you think of any country which has no industries and is only dependent on agriculture? And do you think that progress can happen, or it can become any country can become a strong nation or a progress nation depending on agriculture only? It is very obvious that the answer will be no, because things like which are produced in the industries, they boost up or they increase the economic condition of a particular country. To begin with, let us start, and I would like to say that in India, agriculture is one of the most important occupations, and we also know that we have vast natural resources, and we use these natural resources to meet our needs. For example, we use soil, we use water in the agriculture to produce the food that we eat. Then we have forest resources, we also have mineral resources, like forest resources provides us with timber, and through timber lots of things are made. And then mineral resources, they provide us with construction materials, which also helps us to build number of things. So development of agriculture and industry is very essential for the progress of a particular country. Now let us talk about agriculture. Agriculture is coming from two words, agri and culture, which means the cultivation of the soil. Nearly 2/3 of the working population of India earns its livelihood from agriculture. So the 2/3 population is dependent on agriculture for its daily requirements and needs, to fulfill the daily requirements and needs. Now it is therefore very important for us, and we also know that we have different types of soil in India, and different climatic conditions. Different crops grow in different types of climate, like for example, tea grows best on the hilly slopes. And then wheat is grown in few states like Uttar Pradesh or Punjab. Okay, that is why we can say that we produce a large or a wide variety of agricultural products like rice, wheat, pulses, cotton, jute, tea, sugarcane, and so on. So first thing that we will study, the first food crop that we study is rice. Now everybody knows that it is one of the most important food crop of India, and it is the main food of the people of South India and Eastern India. So the main food of these two states or these parts of India is rice. Now what kind of climate it grows best? It grows best in hot and wet climate. Okay, it needs rainfall also. And the states which are the best producers of rice are West Bengal, then Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Punjab, and many other which is mentioned in your book. So this is going to be the first module, and we will be discussing about this in the live class. Till then, Jai Hind.